Alright, so Fujifilm is back with something special, the GFX100RF. This compact rangefinder style camera packs a massive 102 megapixels medium format sensor, AI powered autofocus, and a brand new aspect ratio dial for ultimate creative flexibility. But here's the catch, it prioritizes photography over video, and that could be a deal breaker for some. Let's talk specs: 102 megapixels, a GFX CMOS 2 sensor, and Fujifilm's X Processor 5, all in a rangefinder style body that weighs just 735 grams. That makes it the lightest GFX camera yet, and despite its compact design, it keeps Fujifilm's signature tactile dials, including a brand new aspect ratio dial that lets you switch between 9 different framing options on the fly. Whether you're composing for print, social media, or cinematic projects, you've got flexibility built right in. Speaking of creative control, Fujifilm has included digital crop presets at 45, 63, and 80mm, giving you even more compositional variety. The camera also features 2 aspherical lenses and a nano GI coating, helping to reduce ghosting and flare while ensuring sharpness across the frame. Plus, it's got AI-powered autofocus with subject and scene recognition, making sure you lock onto your subject with speed and accuracy. The GFX100RF's electronic viewfinder is no slouch either. It's a 5.76 million pixel EVF with 0.84x magnification, delivering a crystal clear preview of your shots. And on the back, you've got a 3.15-inch tilting LCD with 2.1 million dots for composing from tricky angles. Another cool feature, a built-in 4-stop ND filter, perfect for controlling exposure in bright conditions without needing extra accessories. But here's where things take a turn. While the GFX100RF does offer 4K 30fps recording with 422, 10-bit color, and up to 13 stops of dynamic range, video performance clearly isn't a priority. There's no IBIS, and the medium format sensor isn't ideal for fast-moving scenes due to rolling shutter issues. So if you're looking for a hybrid photo-video camera, this might not be the one for you. Now let's talk price. The GFX100RF is expected to launch at 5,499 euros, around $6,018, but actual US pricing may be lower. It's set to officially drop on March 20th, so if you've been waiting for a more compact GFX camera built for pure photography, this might just be it. So what do you think? Is the Fujifilm GFX100RF the perfect balance of power and portability, or does the lack of video focus make it a tough sell? Let me know in the comments, and if you love camera news like this, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. See you in the next one.